Welcome back to the Revved Up channel. The 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista, adorned in a striking yellow, is an icon of performance and style, radiating an unmistakable presence that captivates onlookers and enthusiasts alike. This vivid hue, often associated with speed and excitement, perfectly complements the 488 Pista's aggressive design, making it not just a supercar, but a statement of intent. The bold yellow finish highlights every curve and line of this automotive masterpiece, ensuring that it stands out in any setting, be it on the track or cruising through city streets. Design and exterior features. The 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista's design is a harmonious blend of aerodynamics and aesthetics, crafted to optimize performance while turning heads. In its radiant yellow finish, the car exudes an energy that reflects its incredible capabilities. The front end is characterized by large, sculpted air intakes that channel air efficiently to the engine and brakes, a testament to Ferrari's commitment to marrying form with function. The car's sleek profile, accentuated by its low-slung body and wide stance, is further enhanced by the yellow paint, which accentuates the flowing lines that run from the front to the rear. These lines are not just for show, they're meticulously designed to reduce drag and improve downforce, making the 488 Pista as formidable in a straight line as it is through corners. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with a large rear diffuser and an aggressive spoiler that provide additional downforce at high speeds. The twin exhausts, finished in black, contrast sharply with the yellow body, creating a visually striking rear view that's both aggressive and elegant. The yellow paint also highlights the carbon fiber elements that are integral to the car's lightweight construction, adding a layer of sophistication to its sporty persona. Interior and comfort. Inside the 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista, the yellow theme continues with subtle accents that add a touch of vibrancy to the otherwise dark and purposeful cabin. The interior is a blend of luxury and performance, with premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber used throughout. The racing-inspired seats, finished in black leather with yellow contrast stitching, provide excellent support and comfort, ensuring that the driver remains firmly planted during high-speed maneuvers.